चप्पल किधर है एक? There you are.
Oh yeah, wait till you love me forevermore. Oh yeah. You know You know You know You know
गुड मॉर्निंग। और अभी अभी हमारी सुबह हुई है और सुबह ही सुबह जो है वो हम लोग जा रहे हैं फिल्म देखने, ब्लैक पैंथर। मैं और ग्रेग एंड आई एम रनिंग लेट, तो बाकी का व्लॉग सिनेमा से बाहर आने के बाद। सो फाइनली आई हैव अराइव्ड। सर्दी बहुत है आज। Yeah. So we just came back after watching Black Panther. What do you think about it?
I thought it was a great movie. It was
Yeah.
really cool.
It's one of the
Amazing
best.
special effects and really good storyline.
Absolutely.
It was
Yeah.
excellent. What did you
Yeah.
think?
I was just hoping they will show Captain America in the end, but they did not.
No, they
They
showed
showed-
that other guy.
Yeah. Oh.
What's his
no
name?
spoilers.
Oh, yeah. They showed the other guy. Go see it.
Yeah, it's a great film.
Yes.
Yeah.
We give it an A++.
Yeah. It's one of the best by Marvel Studios.
Yep.
So right now we are going to Greg's best friend's house to see him. Greg, tell him something about your best friend.
His name is Rusty,
Uh-huh.
and he and I met in college,
Oh.
and he is a school teacher, but he also loves to do construction. He's one of the hardest working guys that I have ever met.
Yeah.
He never stops.
Oh.
He gets up early and he works till late. But he's also one of the nicest guys. That
Yeah.
I'm
Oh,
sure
you'll see-
we're
you'll
going to
see
see
more.
again.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna see again. Anytime.
Thank you.
Hey, anytime, literally, you can see Elizabeth. She opens the home.
Okay.
So
that's great.
anytime you say,
Yeah.
hey, just ask Greg, hey, can I have Rusty and Liz's number?
Uh-huh.
And even if you say, hey, are you guys free? Can I come up?
Yeah.
Come on up.
All right.
Hey, tell him
That's
real
great.
quickly about your house, what you did here.
Well, it looks nothing like it did.
Oh.
When we bought it, it was just one floor, just ground. And so we took off the roof and we built the whole upstairs. And we built the back garage here. We changed colors. We put 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bathrooms upstairs. So we've totally redone the whole
Wow.
house.
It looks great.
So it started off.
It was like cinder block.
It was
It was
made-
like this.
it was made of just this,
Oh.
but an ugly green.
Was it the color of that door?
Well, you can see underneath the red vinyl there. You can see now that the plants are not up. See the green
yeah.
block.
Yeah.
But it sits on. You probably know hectares, yes?
Not
No.
really.
Okay. It sits on 5 acres.
Okay. Yeah.
So, but the house is much different than when we bought it.
Yeah. Wow, it looks great. What a clean car that is. What do you have to say about that?
Hey, some Americans like to clean their cars. They like their cars like really clean.
Yeah.
Other Americans just like their cars like this.
So are you planning to watch it sometime soon?
I usually wash my car once a year.
Oh no!
No, I'm just kidding. I try to. I wash it more in the summer,
Uh-huh.
but in the winter, if I wash it, then in like 2 days the snow comes and it gets dirty again. So
You still gotta wash
it's
it. no?
discouraging. So
Oh yeah, that is true.
in the summer, I wash it like every week.
Really?
But in the winter, I let it go a couple months.
Uh-huh.
So-
I wash it every week, sometimes twice a week.
If you taste it, it tastes like salt.
No, no, you
It's like it's like salt.
इतना ज़बरदस्त मौसम हो रहा है और कुछ स्लो मोशन शॉट्स भी पड़े हुए हैं तो सीक्वेंस तो बनता है देखो So this was my third week of vlogging और I hope आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा पसंद नहीं भी आया तो लाइक का बटन दबा दो ये लाइक का बटन है मजाक कर रहा हूँ नहीं वैसे दबा दो चलो बाय
Give me a hug. Come on.